Hello everyone, my name is JCRP and you're watching Kalakar Makerspace videos. It's been almost 8 months since I uploaded my last video and there is a reason for it. When I started out this journey as a maker, it was totally out of self-interest and I used to work in a web development environment. I had my own business running. When I started out this journey, I used to work in web development and I can pump that money into encouraging my hobby habits. In the past 1 year, a lot of things have changed in 2018, and after that slowly I had to stop my web development. If you want to really give 100% to something, then you have to take out all the distractions and then just concentrate on that. So that's what I've been doing in 2018, and 2019 was a redefining year for me because I invested a lot of amount in buying a CNC machine. That brought in a little bit of business. Slowly I was the single person who used to work here. Now we have around 5 employees along with me who take care of different aspects of business. Like there's a person to run the CNC, there's a person to make painting, installation, vinyl. So we've grown into all these areas. When we grow into all these areas where I am not working in web development, so obviously money becomes a factor. I had to take in a lot of projects from outside to get this done, and when projects are happening and you have a deadline, it's practically impossible to set a camera, explain in front of the camera and finish the project. So that's what has been happening, and that is why I'm not able to make any videos in the past year. That has changed in 2020. Beginning this year, I want to get back to my schedule. I just wanted to make one thing clear, that this will not be anymore a DIY video. This will be more like a how-to video or how I accomplished it. In the past 2 years, I've learned a lot of methods of doing things. I've experimented a lot with MDF, electronics, painting, different types of painting. Like there is Duco painting, clear, there are hundreds of varieties of painting. All these are actually commercial stuff which people really like and take in their interior designing business. The channel will still house experiments. I'm going to still make a lot of experiments because I keep telling people that we reached here because I used to experiment. So I don't want to stop that. But what I want to take as a core thing out of this is I want to share that knowledge again with you. So if I'm growing, I want you also to grow, and that is very important for me. And it is very difficult for me to go back to a format where I did how-to videos and explain you step by step. Now it is going to be more like what are the process to get there. So if you're starting a business, this would be a great channel for you to visit. If you want to know how fabrication is done, how CNC is done, what are the steps that you need to go ahead into buying a machine, this channel will be the exact correct one for it. So starting 2020, I have a dedicated video editor with us, so who's going to handle the camera, who's going to take care of the editing. In a day-to-day life, there are so much of things that is happening in the shop, and I don't know how to put it into a video format. It will be more like a vlog, you know, where I go around different projects, show you things. But it is difficult if I do that. I don't know if you will like it. So please let me know in the comments if you like to see vlog kind of videos where I show you what is happening in the shop. Because at one single point of time, there are like 5 projects happening. 5 projects are at different stages. If you want to see a story happening, like day 1 the project is in this stage, day 2 we are doing this, that would be more like a vlog, and I don't know if you like it. So please do let me know. I'm going to take up projects which are really close personal to me, which haven't been executed. I have seen it executed somewhere and I'm trying my own format of doing it. I'm going to put those kind of videos out. So it's going to be fun, it's going to be experimental, it's going to be something that you really love. I just want to apologize that for 2019 I haven't uploaded any video, and it's mainly because we need to eat at the end of the day. Money is something that really matters to sustain. We haven't lost the spirit of making. In 2019, during the beginning of 2019, I tried various formats where I shot videos where I was not speaking. I put subtitles, and sometimes I used to speak. I tried various formats, and that's mainly because I was frustrated, and because here in India it is difficult to make DIY videos. If you make any comedy videos, if you make any dancing videos, singing videos, you are going to get hundreds and hundreds of views because the audience mindset is like that. But for a DIY video, to survive, it is very difficult, because there are very few crowd, but genuine crowd in India who wants to watch DIY videos, and that is the reason we have almost 40,000 subscribers right now. So thank you to all of them. For a DIY video to garner any sponsorship is also difficult. For example, if you watch any US videos, they have DeWalt, so many players coming in, giving them free tools and everything. So there is a momentum that is happening here. I wish that momentum happens in India, but until then I'm going to keep striving through, and I'm going to keep making more videos, and I'm going to get back to my own format where I explain you and go along with the process. Because when I made the other format of videos, it didn't feel near to me, because I am not that kind of a person who makes the video. I like to see my videos, when I look back at it, it should be where I am talking to you, making a personal connection, explaining you through the process. Because if I am as an unknown person, if I'm going to see my own videos, is it informative? I didn't find it informative in the other format, so I'm going to get back to my own format and make such kind of videos. So that's going to happen. So I welcome you again into 2020. I will look forward to see more of you on my channel. So please subscribe if you haven't, and let me see you in another video very soon. Thank you for watching Kalakar Makerspace videos, and happy learning.